I'm going through these wings like I've never been fed before. Oh, that is hot. At least I don't believe it is. Wow. Pizza? Can I? Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and I am in the center of downtown Hong Kong. I am about to go to a place called 100 Flavors Dragon or Dragon 100 Flavors, something like that. Anyways, I heard the word on the street is that this place actually has a wide variety of different Hong Kong style dishes. So we are going to go take a look and check it out. So I would like chicken. Which one's your chicken dishes? Okay, so this one, right? This one. Oh, okay. Okay, I will get some chicken wings. Yes, please. Yes, please. I will get some of this. I don't want... Okay, thank you. I don't want bones. Yes, I don't want bones. Yeah, no bones, please. No bones. Yes. If possible. I don't like bones. Thank you, thank you. Is it spicy?
Spicy.
Oh, it's spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't want spicy. Sorry, I don't like spicy. Okay, is this one spicy?
Small?
Okay, I have this one. Thank you. What's this one over there? Is that beef?
This one?
This one?
This one?
Yeah.
The beef.
Oh, could I get some of that too, please?
What?
Yes, please. This one looks so good. Thank you. Do you have noodles? Okay. I'll try it.
Okay. What?
I'll try. Thank you. Thank you. And is that potato, is it?
Yeah.
Could I have some of that? Yes, please. Thank you. Don't know if I can fit all this on the plate. Okay, how much do I owe you? Thank you. Is this pizza? Can I? Chopsticks, thank you. Thank you. Well, as they say in the UK, I am Hank Marvin, and I need this. Wow, it said lemon water, and that's actually, it's like flavoured lemon water, just so you can imagine it. There's a little pinch of sweetness in it, however, you can still taste the taste of water, if that makes sense. Anyways, cheers. Okay, I've got my chopsticks, my pizza, now let's tuck in. Let's start with the potato. It's got a bit of a crunch. It's not as soft as it looks, but I like a crunch. A little bit spicy. I suppose you usually put a little bit of spice in most of the dishes here anyways, probably because Hong Kong is mixed with foreigners and local Chinese Hong Kongers, so by putting a little pinch of chili in, you can kind of please both. It's not too much, so you don't lose the foreign audience. It's not too little, so you don't lose the Chinese Hong Kong audience. That's pretty nice, not too bad. I like the crunch. Like I say, I prefer no spice, as you seen earlier on, but it was nice. Definitely eatable. Now let's try this one, the beef. This actually looks like beef and black bean, but it's got the Chinese, is it cabbage? I'm not sure what you call this. It's very nice. Now I know most Westerners have never even tried this before, and I don't believe, at least I don't believe it is. It probably is now that I said it. But I don't believe this is too common in the West. I'm not sure what the name is. It's not spinach. It's not cabbage. It's not broccoli. I don't know what it is, but it's really nice. I've had it before. I'm not joking. That's actually better than the ones I've had before. The ones in mainland China normally have more oil, but these ones don't have as much oil. However, you can see they're not dry either. They're fully wet, damp, whatever you want to call it, soaked. If you are watching this, and if you are in the West, and if you, or somebody you may know, does not like vegetables, that's because you've never had vegetables in China or Hong Kong, let's say. Now let's try some of this beef. I like thin slices, you know, when it comes to meat. Wow, perfect. Perfectly cut, you know. Look at that. Look how thin that is. Not too thick, so it's not too chewy. Just how I like it. Very, very nice. Nice and soft. It reminds me of the beef and black bean in the West. That's how it feels, the texture of it. Not too soft, not too hard, just perfect. Okay, now let's try some of this. It said noodles, it looks like rice noodles or bean sprouts. I think it's a rice noodle. It looks like a rice noodle, right? And I think it's mixed with scrambled egg. The egg's really nice. I know some people are probably thinking, egg, scrambled eggs, just scrambled egg, but actually it's totally different. They've obviously like done something to that. They could put some salt in it, definitely. It's nice, really, really nice. It smells so good as well with the noodles. They've got a really nice crunch, but the crunch doesn't come from the rice noodles. The crunch comes from little bean sprouts there. Can you see the bean sprouts? That's where the crunch comes from. You've got like the softness from the scrambled egg, then even more softness coming from the rice noodle, and a little crunch to balance it all out with the bean sprouts. Really, really nice. That's not spicy at all. Now let's try this one, because this one I really, really wanted to try. However, most of us foreigners, or let's say most of us Westerners, we love chicken, but we don't like chicken on the bone. You know? I mean, we like chicken wings, we like drumsticks, like that's okay. But just like chopped up, like in lots of little pieces, it's quite difficult. We find it difficult, we don't know what part of the chicken we're eating. And yeah, we're not as skilled as the Asians when it comes to eating chicken off the bone in our mouth. Now, for those who know an Asian, most Asians, especially like Chinese people for example, they have got this technique where they can actually like debone the bone in their mouth. You know, foreigners, we have to like use a knife or fork, pull it apart, and then hold it or pull it out of the bone itself. But Asians, let's say, have somehow kind of adapted to deboning with their teeth, with their mouth. It's pretty crazy if you ask me. I'm not that skilled. I'm okay with chopsticks, but I'm not skilled like that. Maybe I need some more experience. What do you think? Anyways, I did ask for chicken with no bones, so obviously just tried her best, but I'm sure there's going to be bones in here. But it looks so good, honestly. Look at that. So good. No bone, no one. You just appreciate it so much more when there's no bone, don't you? Really, really good. I'm not a big fan of spicy, but I do like some red pepper or some green pepper. Especially like when it's being stir-fried a bit with a slight burn to it. Slight little tinge of... Ooh. Oh, that is hot. Ooh, what did I do this? I need a drink. It's like putting the fire out, honestly. I'm not exaggerating. It's still getting hotter. It's spoke too soon there, didn't I? Usually when you have stir-fried pepper like that, normally it almost feels like the spice is kind of being cooked out of it. But that, it's almost like it absorbed all the spice in the whole pan. It's still getting hotter. Oh my goodness. Now, as I was saying, as foreigners, we don't like chicken on the bone, usually. However, when it comes to chicken wings, chicken drumsticks, that is a different matter. Look at that. I've got a feeling these are going to be the best one. I've just got a good feeling. I was right. So good. I'm going through these wings like I've never been fed before. Honestly, right? I could demolish these so fast. I'm going to end the video there. How do I rate this? I would say the cabbage, or whatever it is, let's call it Chinese cabbage. The Chinese cabbage, I would give that like a 4 out of 5, which is pretty good for this. That is definitely the best I've had. I don't think that could ever be a 5 out of 5. I would say the potato, this one, I would say that is a 3.6 out of 5. It was pretty good, but I have had better in mainland China before. This chicken, I would give this a 4 out of 5. This, I would give this a 3.7, maybe a 3.8. No, wait. I would give it a 4.2 out of 5. The beef, I would give a 4.2.5 out of 5. It would have been even better if it had more sauce, but don't get me wrong, it was really good in its own right. And as for these chicken wings, they honestly, I'm not joking here. These are one of the best chicken wings I've ever ate. I honestly do not know the ingredients, but it's perfectly crisp from the outside. I don't know if it's like, I think it's like Korean style. I could be wrong, or maybe it's from China originally. I don't know. But if anybody knows what kind of chicken wings these are, or even how they are made, please let me know. Look at that. It almost looks like batter on top. I don't know what that is. I don't know what it is. Look, let me show you. That's what's coating the chicken wings. Really, really nice. Like I say, the closest thing we have to this in the West is like butter, but that's not butter. Anyways, I'm gonna get stuck in, demolish the rest of this, and in the meantime, hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel, check out the other videos on my channel for further content just like this. Thanks for watching.